Namaskar. Parents, it had been very long when I talked to you. So I felt like communicating with you since interaction is a pool between all the stakeholders and it keeps us apprised. Online classes are already on from 1st of July and they will continue as it is. There was an intervention of MHRD and we understand, so we have already planned it, and our classes were actually according to MHRD only, but now we'll be more particular that the academic classes go by MHRD instructions, and we will keep sufficient gap also in between so that the children are not tired and their screen time breaks down. Wherever it can be minimized, it will be minimized also, and then in between they can have their breakfast, they can relax a bit, they can do some little eye exercises to relax themselves, and you will also have a pause. But definitely we will also introduce activity periods. We have a huge faculty of activity teachers and they will be stress busters. We will provide you all the music classes, physical exercise classes, and all the other activities wherever they are supporting to the academics and are good for the physical rejuvenation of the children. So that will be one part. I requested all of you to let the children wear uniform because that gives an additional feel of the school. So let the children wear their uniform so that they come in that school mode. Ultimately they have to come. We are just waiting that the vaccines, lot of hard work is being done, and I think some good solutions will come by end of August, September, and let's have some hope for some good news to creep in. But even like that with the online, because online teaching is not going to stop, we will keep on making arrangements so that the children are comfortable. You all are also comfortable. I know some of you must have started going to the offices, so we understand that, and we will support you wherever it is, but we will also expect your role into conduction of classes, because as NCERT also mentioned that your role is very crucial because you are with children. And let us know wherever you need our more support. We will always be there. And also it is important now, another periodic test is in offing. It may be in somewhere in last week of July or first half of August, and then another will be in the second, that you can say the main midterm exam. They will be in the either in the last week of August. They may begin from the last week of August, and then they will continue till September, with whatever necessary breaks which are required. So be careful that the children are revising, children are studying at home, so that because all these marks are going to add. This year we have to be more careful. So be sure that the children appear in the examinations, maybe it may be periodic test or may it be midterm test, so that their marks are added on, and whatever the situation is there in September, October, we will review. We will always discuss every bit with you. Then in near future there are a lot of festivals. Raksha Bandhan is there, Eid is there, then our Foundation Day is there. So we'll have some special assemblies, and then there will be Independence Day celebration, and Janmashtami, or maybe some other festivals may be there. because these things also are very important to share with the children. They need to know all the knowledge of all this. And one very most important aspect is rationalization of syllabus. CBSE, with the help of NCERT, have rationalized the syllabus, and now almost 30% of syllabus is reduced, minimized by CBSE in consultation with NCERT. So all those topics we are taking care of, or even some topics which are under curtailment and we have done, we will take them in internal assessment. So don't worry, nothing is going to be wasted. Knowledge never wastes. So we will take care the rationalized parts which are not to come in theory papers, in written pen and paper test. We will keep on informing you, and you also be careful. So make sure that number one, take care of uniform. It adds to the environment, and then do whatever assignments teacher are saying. You people have already bought the book sets and notebooks, etc. Make the notes of it so that the child is recording whatever knowledge child is attaining. That's very important. It's very important for the holistic development of the child, all the activities as well as the academic part. So I told you that academic syllabus we will fulfill as per the schedule suggested by MHRD, and some activities just for the rejuvenation and relaxation of children will be there. And of course important is they are suggesting staggered reopening of schools. So maybe initially the senior classes are opened and then gradually will come to the other classes, but that is still far off. We are in July, and there is no point right now elaborating more on discussion with working in the school. Though we are preparing the school, we have already got the entire campus cleaned. We are doing fogging and sanitization almost on weekly basis for the whole campus, and the classes and our office block. We are working hard on that also. We'll put up lot of instructions so that the children follow, and we are educating our teachers also. So we are conducting lot of teachers training programs also, and we'll keep on apprising you also. We'll conduct the meetings with you as well. Till then, take care of your health, your child's health, and wherever you need our help, wherever you feel like discussing with us, we can always will be conducting some meetings after the examinations are over. Periodic test, let the period, so that we can discuss the performance of the children also. So good luck, and take very good care of yourself, take very good care of your children, and our children rather. So I wish all the good luck to all of you, and to my teachers as well. Thank you so much. It's such a pleasure to talk with all of you after a gap. Lots of love. Thank you so much.